Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Stark and I am a product training coordinator here at Wellness Living. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is going over the brand new Elevate Staff app version 2.0, which is very exciting. So this is the brand new Elevate Staff app, which is now being updated to version 2.0. We changed the core platform that Elevate was built on, and now it will allow Wellness Living to create and release more robust updates on the Elevate Staff app. So just to reiterate, this is a new app, not an update to the existing one. And it's very important to note that on the day of Sprint 53 release, business owners and staff members will be prompted via a pop-up notification before they have access to the app, asking them to download the new version of the React Elevate 2.0 app. With the new Elevate 2.0 app, there are some redesigns and features that we will be discussing. So as far as redesigns, there are a couple redesigns such as the sign-in page has been updated, the all sales report, attachments interface, class management interface, checkout, appointment, booking flow, and schedule. So lots of different redesigns going on, and there are a few notable features that we will cover, one being sign in with Google, right? So you can sign into the Elevate app using your Google account. All a staff member would have to do is go here and click on continue with Google. This is a new sign-in method where staff members who are Google account users can sign in using their Gmail credentials, which is great. And now that we are signed in, this is what the new schedule looks like. So we can see everything is looking very clean and professional there. So if I just even scroll over, I can look at all of my staff members. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to look at a class really quickly. So underneath Arizona for my staff member, at 12 o'clock p.m., we can see that there is a boxing class. So I'm going to go ahead and click into it. And once we are in the attendance list for the boxing class, we can see that there are 3 attendees, and we can scroll down and see them all here. We can see Steve, Aaron, and Brittany, and we can see all of their information here and the purchase option they used to pay for this particular class. And we can even see the asset that they had been assigned for this class as well. In addition to this, we can go to the view layout and click there, and we can actually view the layout itself where we can see the assets that have been assigned and the corresponding client. So we can see punching bag 1 is Steve French, punching bag 2 is Aaron, and punching bag 3 is Brittany. In addition to this, what we can do for a client is we can go over to that 3-dot action menu and we can click there and we can see the following options. But as per part of the new feature for the Elevate Staff app 2.0, what we can do now is add quick or soap notes if we have that enabled for the class in the back end. For this particular class, we have quick notes enabled. So what we can do is go right here to add quick note and I can click on it. And then what I can do is add a quick note. And once it loads, what we can do is go in and we can type out a quick note if we want. So I could just use this as an example. This is a quick note. We can do that. And then what we can do is go down and hit save to save that quick note. Or if we didn't want to save it and we wanted to add other notes, we could always go to add other notes, click there, and then add additional quick notes. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and click save. In addition, staff can now start virtual appointments within the Elevate Staff app, which we can see here. We can see that this is a personal training 60-minute session and it is a virtual appointment. And when I click into it, we can see that we can actually go down and we could select start virtual meeting right here. And when I click it, you will see that it's just going to come up like this and it's going to say your virtual session hasn't started yet and it'll show the date and time for when it does start. But the functionality is there to have virtual appointments within the Elevate Staff app. And just to note, the previous version of the Elevate app, version 1, will no longer be available starting on July 7th, 2022. The Elevate Staff app version 2.0 is a very exciting feature, and I hope that you all love it as much as we do.